Hi and welcome to Admiral Cottage in Wokingham, where I've got an absolutely stunning property to show you. Now before we go and take a look round, let's go find Matt to talk about the local area.
A few hundred yards away, you've got Wokingham Town Centre, which provides you with loads of fantastic amenities, great bars, fantastic restaurants. Wokingham's got a fantastic train line as well, which takes you one way to Reading, but the other way to Waterloo. Let's go and see Tristan's, have a look around the rest of the house.
The property even offers secure parking. Now if you think this could be your next home, then please get in contact on the following details.